media friends, she'll have more time to interview them. So, I'll start off with a question for Direk Louie. Direk, ano po ba yung gusto ninyong ma-feel ng viewers? Syempre ngayon po, nakailan na din tayong season ng The Clash at ngayon panibagong yugto naman with The Clash Teens. So ano po yung gusto ninyong takeaway ng viewers or ma-feel ng viewers upon watching? Syempre, lalo na yung pilot episode.
In the press con, gusto naming ma-feel this time ang buong Clash team. Wino-welcome namin ang lahat ng Gen Z. Yan. Kasi gusto namin silang i-welcome kasi para ma-appreciate nila ang The Clash as the #1 singing contest, singing show in the Philippines. The Philippines at buong mundo na ang makapanood dito sa aming palabas, sa aming show, The Clash.
The #1 original singing reality.
Yes.
Yes, at ito naman Direk, marami na kayong nagawang successful shows throughout the years. And now, what makes The Clash Teens special to you po specifically as a director?
Sa akin, actually marami na akong nagawang pelikula, maraming TV shows, pero ang The Clash, baby ko to. Kasi since year 1, season 1, ako yung nag-handle, ako ang director nila. And na-excite ako pag...
For the past, seasons kasi, parang nasanay kami na palaging parang, alam mo, iba-ibang klaseng pakulo, ibang klaseng fierceness. Pero parang ngayon, kakaibang klaseng energy naman yung yung nasa sa Clash Arena or pag nasa studio kami, pag working kaming lahat. And we feel good about it eh. Parang ibang klaseng energy, sobrang palaban, but at the same time, sila, very jolly, alam mo, very energetic, tsaka talagang parang sobrang career-driven nila. And yun talaga natutuwa kami kasi nag-resonate yon sa performances na ginagawa nila.
Masaya kasi very energetic yung mga Gen Z natin.
Yung Clash Masters natin, they're not just there to host the Clash, they're not just there to host each round. Kasi sila mismo, nagbibigay sila ng mga yung tips and tricks sa amin, tinutulungan nila kami na yung maging mas calm when we're backstage, kapag sasalang na. Kaya, thank you guys for investing your time. And syempre yung, I'm sure na-attach din kasi kayo sa mga Clashers. Kaya, I'm so excited to see how you're gonna help mold this newest generation of teen Clashers. Ito naman, fans always love, syempre, seeing your chemistry on stage.